For industrial and commercial operations today, speed, insulation, and energy efficiency are all critical issues. In environments like these, businesses are under pressure to improve building performance and efficiency, placing ever greater demands on doors. Meet the new ASSA ABLOY RR5000, offering the ultimate in speed, insulation, and efficiency for a new level of operational demands. The ASSA ABLOY RR5000 combines the fast speeds of a high-performance door with the superior thermal performance of a sectional door, so you'll never have to compromise. With a full 50 millimeters of insulation, it delivers maximum thermal separation with minimum energy loss. While both insulated panels and side frames keep indoor conditions stable and outdoor weather where it belongs. All of which means the ASSA ABLOY RR5000 offers by far the lowest U-value in its class at just 1.28, ensuring it meets the requirements of the leading green building certification systems. Rapid roll opening speeds of up to 2.2 meters per second help maintain thermal performance and smooth traffic flow with up to 3 cycles per minute, the highest in its class. In addition, a simple V-drive design with fewer components ensures easy maintenance and prevents panels touching one another during operation, making the door fast, smooth, quiet, and less sensitive to lifetime wear and tear. So you can reduce carbon emissions, optimize energy efficiency, and save costs, keeping your operations running while making a more positive impact on the planet. Whatever business you're in, the new ASSA ABLOY RR5000. Maximum speed, insulation, and efficiency in one stylish door design. For more, visit ASSAABLOYEntrance.com.